Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the which is the highest peak in the world and which is the highest peak in our country and which is the highest peak in our Karnataka and which is the highest peak in South India. Okay, and also the northern plains and what are the features of northern plains. Okay, so along with architecture, which is the how the architecture is very famous in our country. Okay, and how the water gets polluted or how the river gets polluted and rivers, and so make a list of important rivers and the crops. Okay, and peninsular plateau, what is meant by peninsular plateau and the characteristics of peninsular plateau and advantages of peninsular plateau. Okay, and the coastal plains, what is meant by coastal plains and how the coastal plains should be extended. Okay, all these things we discuss here in this class. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. In last class we discussed about the northern mountains. Okay, here northern mountains consist mostly of the Himalayan ranges. When you look at the northern part of the map, you will notice that Himalayan ranges extend from Kashmir to Meghalaya. Here northern plains or Himalayan ranges should be extend from Kashmir to Meghalaya. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Which is the highest mountains in the world? The Himalayan ranges are the highest mountains in the world. So next, characteristics of Himalayan ranges. Okay, here Himalayan ranges are covered with snow, hence they are called Himalayas. So Himalayas ranges have high peaks. Himalayas are many deep valleys and gorges, and they are glaciers and highest mountain spouses. Next, they are hot springs, and there is a variety of plants and animals in Himalayan ranges. Next, advantages of Himalayan ranges. Himalayas prevent the cold and winds from Central Asia blowing into India, and also they are the source of many North Indian rivers. Himalayan range is the source of many North Indian rivers, and they check the monsoon winds and cause heavy rainfall. They are like gigantic wall and the natural northern frontiers to control foreign invasions. Okay, and also a mountain range is a group of or so chain of mountains found close together and extend to thousands of kilometers. Here the Aravalli, the Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats, Vindhya, Satpura ranges are the other important mountain ranges in India. The population is less because of the severe cold in the Himalayan ranges. The Indus, the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra rivers are the rivers have their sources in the Himalayan ranges. So an unusually wide and long valley in the lower Himalayas are called as dune. Example for Dehradun. Dehradun in India. It is a popular tourist place. Okay, so during the summer people visit this place. Next, so which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So Mount Everest is in about 8,848 meter, and Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in India. So Mount Godwin Austen are also called as K2. So K2 is in about 8,611 meter. So Mullayanagiri is in a highest peak in Karnataka. Mullayanagiri is about 1,913 meter, and Annaimudi is in a highest peak in the South India. So Annaimudi is in about 2,665 meter in the world in the South India. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. So Mount Everest is in about 8,848 meter. Okay, next, Mount Godwin Austen are also called as K2. Okay, so Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in India. Okay, which is the highest peak in India? K2 or Mount Godwin is the highest peak in India. So Mount Godwin Austen or K2. Mount K2 is in about 8,611 meter. So Mullayanagiri is the highest peak in Karnataka. Mullayanagiri is the highest peak in Karnataka. So and it is about the Mullayanagiri is about the 1,913 meter. Annaimudi is the highest peak in South India. Annaimudi is the highest peak in South India. and Anayamudi is about 2665 meter. Okay. So next you should know this: air cools as we climb higher places. Air cools as we climb higher places. The rivers which have their source in the foot of hills. The rivers which have their source in the foot of hills of Himalayan ranges have plenty of water even during summer season also. In summer season the snow should be melting and the snow should be converted into water. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the northern plains. So what we observe, the green color, so this should be in northern plains. Okay. So when we talk about the plains, we remember we remember a playground. So usually playground is in a plain. So in level with no obstruction to play games. Okay. So when we talk about the plains, so we remember the playground. Usually a playground is in a plain. Usually a playground is in a plain in level with no obstruction to play games. Similarly, there are plains located to the south of the Himalayan ranges. There are the plains located to the south of the Himalayan ranges. Okay, there are the plains located to the south of the Himalayan ranges. They are very vast, fertile, and in level. Okay, locate this physical division on the map. Okay, this is a location of northern plains in the map. So I will once again repeat it. When we talk about the plains, so we should remember a playground. Unusually a playground is in a plain, so in level with no obstruction to play games. Similarly there are plains located to the south of the Himalayan ranges. Here northern plains should be located to the south of the Himalayan ranges. They are very vast. That means plains are very vast, fertile, and in level. So look at this physical division on the map. Okay, and observe. So the inner walls of Kollur, Dharmasthala and Kukke Subramania temples in Karnataka are made up of wood. Okay, the inner walls of Kollur, Dharmasthala, Kukke Subramania temples in Karnataka are made up of wood. Houses in Kashmir Valley are built using logs. Houses in Kashmir valleys are built using logs. So buildings were constructed using Kadapa rock in Raichur district. Okay, and parts of Andhra Pradesh. In next class we discuss more things.